Quick video here on how to fix your parking brake pulley or parking brake push pedal for a 2009 to 2016 Mercedes E-Class. Let's get it. All right, I'm making this quick video here on a 2014 Mercedes E350. If you have this knob that's loose, it sticks out about an inch, 2 inches out like this, and this does not retract or hold in a position, and it just keeps flopping out, getting loose on you, and this stays out, and when you pull it, this does nothing. See, mine comes back up because I actually fixed it, but I'll tell you what you got to do. So when this is loose and this doesn't hold down, first open this little area here. You just got to pry it off. Real simple. Just pry it off. Come in here and first make sure that the ball is actually sitting in there and there's nothing cracked on the plastic, and that it sits in like this. This cable might be a little slightly loose because of course this retractor is not working properly, so the cable is going to loosen up a little bit up here, but that's fine as long as there's no cracks in your plastic. Then move on to step 2. Step 2 is real simple. You're going to come all the way down here. Let me hit the light for you guys. Okay, you're going to come all the way down here. All right, now you see this little wire here. Let me see if I can get in here a little better for you. Okay, you see this little metal that's right here? I'm touching it. This metal right here, it's got to sit in this groove in here. Usually what happens is this metal comes out of the groove and it transfers to this side over here. So what you got to do is you just got to grab a Phillips, let me see here, a flathead I mean. So you grab a flathead like this. See, you grab a flathead and you come in and you pry it out. Mine was over here. So what I had to do was I had to pry it out and then move this into position to get it in here. You see, it has to go into this slot in here. Okay, this metal right here that comes straight down has to go inside of here. This metal on mine was over here somewhere. So that is why you had no function at all. That is why. That is why this didn't work. And that's why you had your pulley loose. Okay? All right, guys, enjoy this quick clip. If it helped, like and subscribe, and make sure if you have any questions, drop it down in the comment section below. Appreciate it. One more thing. Also, if you want this to jump back out real fast like this, make sure to come in here and spray WD-40 right in that hole right there. Let me show you. Right in that hole right there. You'll see some metal linings in there. Those are part of the mechanism that allows it to come back out, and that tends to get a little corroded or, you know, just dirty, whatever, and it gets kind of sticky in there. So just spray some WD-40 in there like this. Spray a lot. I already sprayed a lot, but you know, spray a lot of it in there. And let's see if you can see it. There you go. You see all those metal shavings right there? Oh, jeez. Right there, you see those metal shavings? Right there. The metal that goes around in there, just spray a bunch of WD-40 in there, and instead of like it coming back real slow, it'll just jump like that.